Listen to him running. Hello and welcome everybody to my channel. I'm Summer's Child. You can call me Summer, and today we're playing very cool games. Let's go. This game is called Crypit. So it's like a puzzle. Okay, let's do level 1. Seems easy enough. I think we need to put this one right here. Okay, yeah. Simple. We're done with level 1. Starting with level 2, let's bomb everything. We need this key to open this door. Listen to this little dude running. His run is so cool. Okay, 3. We have a bug and we have a stone. Let's crush it. Okay, fantastic. Be mindful here what you do, because we do not need to close the way on ourselves. Level done, completed. Okay. Let's bomb everything and everyone. We need this bomb to go down here to the key. Let's go open the door, let the bug go in. Okay, don't care about the bug. Listen to him running. Okay, let's move out. I really like his run. Okay, we need to pay attention right here, because we need these rocks to go down there. Oh, okay. Salvageable, no problem. Very good. Okay, last one. We needed to go to the right place. Awesome. Put this down here. Open the way to the bug. And now we can leave. Amazing. And we did not lose any life so far. Okay, 2 bugs, 2 stones. Let's crush them. Come here, little bug. Bye-bye, little bug. What about the next one? It's time for you to say bye-bye. Let's make everything explode. We're ready to do this, aren't we? Go round. Okay. Number 1 is where it should be. Number 2, come with me, my darling. Look at this map. It looks like a smiley face. Okay, level 7. I need this rock to go and bomb everything. So I'm gonna move this glowing ball out of the way. Be careful, my man. Excellent work. Okay. Now I need this key. Go fast, go fast. Yes, trapping the mummy behind that thing. Second one is done. Okay, final one. Let's move out. Victory! Excellent work. 7 levels are done and dusted. This game is so cute. I love the way the little man runs. Okay, let's go on a different adventure. So this time we have this jigsaw puzzle. It looks like somebody is trying to move up a mountain or something. It's snowy, it's winter. Let's soak up this photo so we can rearrange it after a while. So something is written underneath it. The middle of the body, of course, is in the middle of the picture. Let's go. Okay, let's move. This is how I do every jigsaw puzzle. First of all, I aim for the top row. So for example, like this, take his head above, take his shoulder with that, trying to maneuver everything. Great! Top level, done. Bottom level is done. We only have one piece out of place. Do you believe this? It looks like this one is going to be easy. Okay, let's give him his back. Okay, it looks like a huge mess, but don't worry. I'm a professional jigsaw puzzler. I'm a professional jigsaw puzzle solver. So we gave him his back, but we took away his shoulder. That's cute. Okay, let's do some rearranging once more. Move this over here. Move this. Yes, yes, and you win. This was so easy, so cute, and so entertaining. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Summer's Child. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe if you are new around here. I'm gonna see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.